Hi, I'm David Fetterman. A lot of you asked about our trip. We're going to be climbing Mount Everest, the whole family. So you asked about some of the things that we're going to do in preparation. I'll tell you about the altitude training a little later. This is one of the bags we're bringing, just to give you a feel for it. It's kind of interesting stuff. Definitely different than when I was camping as a kid. Let's put it this way. This thing here, small as it is, will help us when we get to the top of the base station. This jacket can go like, I don't know, super cold. Electron jacket, Rab. It goes like unbelievable. Keeps water away, keeps snow. Some folks, they make it all the way up towards the base station, a base camp that is, and have to turn back because it's too cold. They didn't have enough of a jacket on. So, aside from vests and everything else, you're gonna have one of these guys to make sure that when we get to the very top, we can be fine. This thing may not look like much. 5 minutes of this, and you're boiling. That's how hot this thing is. Anyway, you see how compact it is as well. We also have, a vest that fits into this. This is the pocket. That's the actual pocket of the vest. It just folds around it. It's pretty cool, nice and compact. And to make sure we stay warm, down the pants. Unbelievable. Don't ask me about the price. I'm looking at the price of some of these things again, and wow, expensive. Let me put it this way. Even when we're getting the underwear, some of the underwear we've got here is like $16 or something crazy, because you want to be able to wear it like a couple different days. You're going to wash it, and you're way up there. Things don't dry as easily. These wick really nicely. More underwear. You get the idea. Not too much stuff like that. A bunch of key shirts. Some are short sleeves, some are long. Gotta cut the tags off of this guy still. This guy's really good wicking, that kind of stuff. Price, you don't want to know. Crazy. Anyway, you get the idea. Lots of cool stuff. And that doesn't even include our electrolyte stuff. Doesn't include, these are really cool. These tablets, you put them in water, it turns into a cloth. A towel. Pretty neat, huh? I'll show you that later if you're interested in more detail. Offline and stuff. Tons and tons of bathing wipes. We have a water purifier, that's really cool. I'm gonna show you another time. A lot of long johns. And then, actually maybe I've got it over here. Oh, my backpack. Over here, I think on the bottom is where I put the, it's kind of a ultraviolet, yeah, right here. Like an ultraviolet steri pen. Put it in there like this. Lights up, pop in the water, sterilizes it. Very high tech. Cool. Well, you get the idea. Enough for today. I won't go into all the details we've got. Even a space pen. So you can write upside down. Doesn't matter what kind of temperature it is. These are in case I sprain my ankle. Got the short-term hiking boots like this. And then I think I have the big ones over here. And those where I put those guys. My regular ones, they're upstairs. Anyway, enough for today. I promised I'd share some of what we're doing. Oh, want to bring this guy here, huh? Stanford! Just for the heck of it. Need something a little lighter on the bottom. The rest of it, very straightforward. This is the bottle for the water. Also keep you warm at night. We'll be in sleeping bags and stuff. In these lodges, it's going to be really super cold. Anyway, you get the idea. Walking sticks, the whole bit. rain jacket, you name it. Tons of little hats. And then hand warmers, toe warmers. You get the idea. Anyway, this is just some of the equipment. I'll tell you more a little bit about what we're going to do. It's about 17,000 feet. I'll show you about the altitude training later and how we're all going through this process of having less oxygen, so we'll have more red blood cells, be able to, be able to make it up the altitude without altitude sickness. Anyway, talk to you later. This is just the equipment stage. See you later. Bye-bye.